Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the pollen filter on this Honda Civic. This one is 2007 model, and the location for the pollen filter is on the passenger side, just here under the footwell. So what we do is we pull the cover like this. Okay, that's how it pulls out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the pollen filter. It's in a really bad condition. There we go. That's how we're gonna pull it out. Okay. And it's got the airflow which is pointing towards the front. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this trim out. So this is just a push fit, just like that. Okay, so that's how it pulls out. So it's got 4 clips, one here, one there, and one here. Before we put the new pollen filter, I'm just gonna use a vacuum cleaner to clean the area. Right, just going to slide the filter in. So that's how it goes in. Just like that. Okay, and then just gonna fit the cover. In order to fit the cover, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the bottom side first, and then just going to push this clip here. There we go. That's fitted nicely now. Right, now that we have fitted the pollen filter, we're gonna put this trim back. So what we do is we're gonna slide the trim like this here. So it should fit in here like that. One. The second one goes in here like that. The third clip is here. Fourth clip, which is just here. Okay, there we go friends, nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video.